We are here at the St. Louis Artists Guild for Constructed Visions 3, which is a national juried exhibition discussing and showcasing artists working in the fine craft world of sculpture, ceramics, fiber art, and interdisciplinary measures within their art practices. When viewers come in to see the exhibition, we hope that they are able to view a new approach on what sculpture can be, or installation, or even using multiple techniques in art to create something. I know that in my own practice, I love seeing artists using everything at their disposal, and I think a lot of the artists that are showcasing here in this exhibition allow people to see that they can meld like painting and sculpture into a piece of art, or melding a fiber technique into a sculpture. We've got multiple different mediums being used in a very contemporary way, which is great for fine craft. We also have 2 solo exhibitions here at the St. Louis Artists Guild running alongside Constructed Visions 3. Netra Khattri show Blind Emotions showcases some small clay sculptures, which he is creating in a way to showcase the human form. The humans show different forms of agony and turmoil, but then there's also these slight bits of happiness that come from the sculptures. They're very raw and you have a ton of emotion in them. And then we also have a solo exhibition by Judith called Fault Lines, which showcases some large tar paper prints, which she has created here in Clayton. With the current construction situation happening in Clayton, she thought it would be a great way to create work out of that by partnering with some of the workers and having them use large machinery to run over this tar paper to create her beautifully luscious tar paper prints. All 3 exhibitions currently on show complement each other in a way that we feel are showcasing contemporary art and local artists and several national artists. These shows definitely showcase different avenues that artists are taking currently. Here at the Guild, we like to showcase lots of different avenues that artists will take. We have artists that we exhibit that have formal education, and we have artists that don't have a formal education that are exhibiting here. All of these together allow the community and us to offer insights into different artist practices and different techniques and different approaches. The exhibitions run through September 12th. You can find more information on the exhibitions and social distancing guidelines on our website at www.stlouisartistguild.org.